Happy Sunday. I just came from church and it was really nice. I really like it now. This is my second time going and I think that it went way better this time. The people know each other and everything. I don't know anybody, but the people there are really nice. They're really helpful. Every time I go there, this woman, she gives me her Bible, and now I'm learning like how to read the Bible because I didn't know that it was chapters and verses. I knew the chapter and verses, but I never had my own to like do it myself. But today was a nice Sunday, and every time I go to church, I feel way better. But I'm not here to talk about that. I got some more. Yes, this is the third time I believe I'm doing this. Yes, the third time, and it's this 2% again. It's the Monistat 7 with the 2%. And it's the big one because last time I got it, it was just really small ones. I didn't like that. So I got this one that comes with these. I'm not really going to use these. I'm just going to use this and put it in that same applicator bottle. And I'm going to give me some castor oil because I am going to do my hair again. Today I'm going to braid it and tomorrow I'm going to be crocheting it. And I wanted some castor oil so I can thicken up here because as it grows longer, this is not as thick as the middle. Nothing as thick as the middle. Like the very back, I have like thin curls. The front is like thin curls, but it's not as thin as the back. And in the middle is super, super, super thick. So I want to match this up so I don't have any bald spots, and I want to thicken my edges up so that when I do have my hair in the summer and when I do dye it, I'll look like I have hair. I won't look like a bald head scallywag. Yeah, so I got this. And it was lower this time. It wasn't like $17. It was only $11.99, I think. And so I'm going to use this. I have been using it for 3 months now. This is the 4th month. And I researched that you can only use it up to 4 months before you're not immune to it anymore. And you can't use it on your coochie cat. It won't work on your coochie cat if you get a yeast infection. So hopefully I don't get a yeast infection if I am using this over a month because it is a big tube. But I'll just put it in an applicator bottle. And when I put my crochets in, for 1 week I'll be using the castor oil to put through my scalp. And then the next week I'll be using this to put through my scalp. And I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to keep it up for 5 weeks, I'm hoping. And so today I'm going to get my hair and then I'm going to braid it and then I'm going to get some homework. Bye.